All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Splassive, get 2% back a day. Drip Network, get 1% back a day. All kinds of good cryptocurrency projects. Well, today we're talking about that token that's trending, Ape Coin. Yeah, this coin is going crazy right now. When I show you in a second what the percentages in the last 7 days, you're not even going to believe it. This is the talk of the town. This token, everybody wants to know about it. Everything's going on. In fact, I even bought some tokens of the Ape Coin on Binance before I even did this video. This coin is hot. Going to go over it. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Also, we're going to weave in some cryptocurrency projects in here at the end. If you're wanting to learn about cryptocurrency, we're all looking for that coin to buy and have it bounce to the moon. This could be that coin, but we're also going to talk about some cryptocurrency projects. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Ape Coin. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Up 916%. It's up 916%. Ape Coin. It's already in the top 100. It's traded at over $10. Now, being down 10%, who cares? It's up 900. I mean, I can't even believe this. It's up 924%. This is the coin. This is the next Shiba. This is what everybody wants to talk about. Ape Coin, clicking it. All right, over here traded at $10.21. It's down, but who cares? Who cares what it's down? It's up 900% in the last 7 days. All right, so taking a look here. In the last 7 days, yep, 7 days ago, it's crazy, crazy, crazy up this token. $10.24. Clicking it over here, just to show you, up 916%. All right, what's up with this Ape Coin? It says over here at the Twitter account, Ape Coin is an ERC20 governance and utility token used to empower and decentralized community building on a forefront of Web3. All right, introducing Ape Coin, a token of culture, gaming, and commerce used to empower and decentralize community building at the forefront of Web3. The Architect. Anyone interested in Noise BB? A great discount. Hit me up. Offers with Ape only. Is it that time of the year when the older and you hope it's the wise you? It's been surreal this year. Thank you so much for the wise and the love. Take a look at the Ape Coin. Gotta love the little Ape Coin. All right, let's look at this. Look at this website. I mean, is this not like for the eyes appealing? I mean, it reminds me of the Grateful Dead a little bit, so we're going to have a Grateful Dead following for sure, loving the Ape Coin. This coin, I mean, I just can't even believe that it's already in the top 100. I mean, it's just crazy. All right, look at this coin. All right, about us. Ape Coin is for the Web3 economy. Culture was found with new expressions in Web3 through art, gaming, and entertainment and events. The possibilities for blockchain impact on cultures are so endless that they can't possibly all predict it yet. Ape is a token made to support what's next, control and build on the community. It will serve as the centralized protocol layering for community-led that will drive cultures forward into the Metaverse. Now this coin, you hear a lot about the Metaverse, Metaverse. So this could be that coin that makes it all happen. The Ape Foundation, the DAO, the board. Now take a look at the board here. So they have their pictures of the board, Amy and everybody, and they have their own NFTs here. You gotta love it. So it says right here, the Ape Coin airdrop was a rare hiccup, Bored Ape Yacht Club. So again, I'm just, this flipping around thing is a pretty impressive here. Yep, it seems to be at the top of the NFT world. The Universal Music Group just bought one of the Bored Apes, Yuga Labs. Plans to turn the avatar into a musical star. The company is also rolling up management rights over the hot digital collection like CryptoPunks. As it reported, it talks to raise money on an A16Z or a $5 billion. So why was Ape Coin token launched kind of a mess? Well, Ape Coin is meant to be a coin of the Bored Ape Yacht Club realm. So everybody knows of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, so Ape Coin is supposed to be from this realm. but it's a little fuzzy what it means. It's a fan token for NFT owners to get merch. It's a speculative financial tool. It is a right to vote future developments, and it's an incentive for developers. Yes. It is also, frankly, a huge publicity stunt building on the existing popularity of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. Like many other crypto projects, is trying to build an economy around itself. 1 billion Ape coins are getting split between Bored Ape owners. A new Ape Coin DAO. Yoga Labs itself is the 4 founders, and other companies are people contributing to the project. All right, everybody, this looks like this is going to be big. It's already in the top 100. Let me repeat that again. It's already in the top 100. There's coins I talk about that are 3,000 and 2,000. I mean, VVS Finance and when Tectonic was in 400 or 500s and they moved up, this coin is already in the top 100. Calling the distribution of an airdrop played the crypto speculation FOMO. Airdrop is a marketing term, not a technical one, that is commonly a way to call attention to your new tokens. Sometimes tokens are sent to specified users, other influencers, while sometimes they get a mass distribution to everyone who owns a specific type of cryptocurrency. Getting in on the latest hot airdrop is a thing in crypto. Still, the Apecoin airdrop was talk of the crypto town. The token was quickly listed on some of the largest exchanges, including, listen to what it's already listed on. It's already on Coinbase. It's already on FTX. It's already on Binance. It's already on Gemini. It's already on crypto.com. The Bored Apes are expensive, while Apecoin tokens are relatively cheap, initially going for as little as $20, but rewarding Bored Ape owners first with the token. Well, everybody, this is going to be pretty big. I can already see it. Take a look at that flipping around Grateful Dead, Ape Coin, Bored Ape Yacht Club coin that everybody's going to love. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Ape Coin, okay, I still can't believe it's already in the top 100. It's got a super crazy 900 and some % increase in the last 7 days. It's traded at $10. I actually purchased some right before this video just to grab some on Binance.us. All right. So what about these cryptocurrency projects? We talked about Splassive. We're going to go over Splassive again a little bit. Splassive gives you 2% every single day for 180 days, 360%. Whatever you deposit every single day, it kicks out 2%. The key is you can compound it, and you can compound it and keep compounding it for it to turn into crazy money. All right, over here at the Splassive website, just to do a minute or two, you got the tap right here. It says that the coin is at $36 right this second, so that's pretty big. You got the shoreline. All right, we're back. We actually logged into our site over here. So we got 35 deposits. I got about $1,300 right there in the token. 2% would be $26, so we're making about $26 a day right now. Right now, I got $5.44. I just want to show you this. This is how easy it is to hydrate or claim your money. Let's go ahead and hydrate this. We click hydrate. Pulls up my wallet real quick. I got 1308 in my tap. And I'm actually going to put it back in here, and I'm going to compound it. I'm going to confirm the transaction. Pay a small little percentage of pennies on the gas fees. It's actually 5%. So 10% would be 50 cents. About 25 cents to do this transaction here. So it usually takes a few minutes. You got the shore, you got the swap. Buy waves. If you want to build a team, you do have to have the waves token, which is kind of important. All right, up here on the right, transaction confirmed. So now it's confirmed, and now my little $5 has moved over to the deposits. Right over here at the white paper, you can get all the details that you want to know about Splassive, how it makes that 2%. At the end of the video, I'll link a little link that you can actually, if you need a buddy. All right, back over here at the website. Let's go to proposals. It's got a snapshot of the proposal, of course. Discussions. You can click discussions. And it's got the different forms of what's going on, the voting, the staking, the process. You want to check that out. Fantastic. Buy and sell. Here's all the places already. I couldn't believe this. Binance, Binance.us, Gemini, CoinEX, FTX, eToro, Coinbase. I mean, just a lot of places that you can get this Ape token. All right, there's that famous little coin just going around and around and around. We're going to come over here and do a little price prediction here for you. All right, what's our price prediction? My price prediction is to keep an eye on it. When something is up 936%, you definitely want to take a look at it. Again, can't believe that this token is listed at number 47. It's traded at $10. We read something just a few seconds ago saying it was traded at $20. Keep an eye on this. Even on the site, it tells you to buy it right here. All right, everybody. Ape Coin, brand new, already listed in the top 100. Fantastic. Splassive, make 2% a day, 360% of your initial investment, 2% a day, 180 days to do it. All right, click right here to see our most recent video, and click over here so you can learn about Drip Network, get 1% back every single day, 365%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Ape Coin, put it on your radar. It is not going to settle down anytime soon. Bringing it right here from Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on today.